Jinan GOLD MARK CNC Machinery Co., Ltd., a pioneering leader in advanced laser technology solutions. We specialize in design, manufacture fiber laser cutting machine, laser welding machine, laser cleaning machine. Spanning over 20,000 square meters, our modern manufacturing facility operates at the forefront of technological advancement. At the same time, our products have attained a number of international certifications. With a dedicated team of over 200 skilled professionals, our products are trusted by customers worldwide. We have after-sales service engineers more than 30 people, can give local service for agents, monthly production of 300 units. We offer fast delivery speed and good after-sales service. We have strict quality control and after-sales service system, actively accept customer feedback, strive to maintain product updates, provide customers with higher quality solutions, and help our partners explore broader markets. Dear partners, let's work together to help you expand your market. Agents, distributors, OEM partners are warmly welcome.